Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we live, often in ways that feel remarkably convenient. Yet questions about its ethical boundaries persist. Governments worldwide are drafting new guidelines for AI, but regulation lags behind rapid innovation. Today we explore how debates over AI ethics have evolved through history, up to now. AI, development and discussion of ethical response. Ethical standards have also changed as AI's functions have become more complicated. Early AI followed human-written rules alone. This meant that when an error occurred, responsibility was clear. Any misjudgment made by the system could be traced directly back to the humans who designed it. However, as data-based AI began to learn autonomously by observing vast amounts of data after 2010, the problem became complicated. As the risk of discrimination or prejudice towards people due to AI's self-made decisions increased, discussions about creating rules for AI began. Limits of ethical response and legal principles. As AI had a major impact on our society, governments worldwide established ethical principles related to AI. The European Union, EU, created a regulation in 2019 stating that humans must monitor AI and AI must show its judgment process transparently. South Korea also announced the National AI Ethics Standards in 2020. However, problems constantly arose since these ethical promises had no legal power. But the situation changed with the emergence of generative AI, which creates text or images on its own. Once AI started engaging in commercial activities, the need for law beyond mere promises arose. The EU created the AI Act, dividing AI's risk levels and mandating a label on anything created by AI. South Korea also began considering a legal response, creating a guideline regarding AI's use of others' works. However, whereas the law must operate through precise language and standards, trying to capture only the current state of rapidly changing AI technology makes it ineffective, and trying to create laws with expectation of future changes could limit industrial competitiveness. Consequently, both legal responses and ethical guidelines are failing to keep up with the pace of technological development. Copyright and liability issues. As a result, ethical concerns keep emerging in the gaps left by legal and moral frameworks. For example, when AI trains on creative works without consent, it may infringe the original creator's copyright. The process can generate material that echoes earlier styles, such as once trending Ghibli-like images. Furthermore, deciding the liability for the pictures or text created by AI is a difficult problem. When AI shows unethical behavior, such as imitating the voice of a deceased person, there is no one to be responsible.